Hi. Okay, the painting is now completely dry. I'm going to start working up top here. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet, but I think I decided I'm going to put some trees and the sky. And it needs to be a little darker. Now this might be a little bit boring because this is the part that's probably going to take me a little bit longer to figure out. And then of course I might need to let some stuff dry. I think I'm going to make it really foggy, smoky. Set this back a little bit. I think I'm going to put some trees. But in the meantime, I want to figure out where the water is going to go. So I'm going to like play around a little bit with this. And of course, this is just all, you know, a maybe, because once I take a look at it, you know, I can change my mind. Because I'm allowed. Because it's acrylic. And if I don't like it, I'll change it. I like to step back a lot. It's kind of hard to do that when I'm videotaping. And I think I will push this whole thing back. And then maybe, just to give you an idea, I'm going a little faster than I would normally go at this point, but I think I'm going to put a tree here. Or a couple. So I will have the waterfall, I think, a little lighter coming down from here. So that this will be more misty. Just mixing up some, excuse me, some lighter colors. Just to give me an idea where everything's going to go. And at this point, I'm not just using a knife, I'm using a brush as well. And later on, it'll only be a brush. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do down here just yet, so I think I'll just leave that part for now. Come to it later. Maybe this tree needs some branches. I'm going to use my trusty little plastic palette knife and just I think I like to go a little bit darker maybe. Actually maybe a little bit redder too. So this will give you an idea. I'm not going to be finishing this painting on the video. I find it a little distracting. And I like to be able to observe take my time and observe, which I can't do if I'm doing a video, especially one where I'm not sure where it's going. So, but I think you'll get the idea. And then I'll probably do some negative painting in here. I'll be putting